Hello guys, as you can see, a strong Morpheus candle at the resistance line. So I have placed here down option here. So let me show you the resistance line here. So this is the resistance, and the strong candle crosses the line. So it got reversed from the same level, and this is the whole area of the resistance zone. So whenever the Morpheus candles crosses or touched the resistance line, it acts as a sign of reversal. So we are expecting the rectangle here. Checking for market analysis because market is so volatile now, so there is no any news. Let's wait for this candle to get close. So this is look like a ranging market, and now see this red candle exactly closes at the resistance line. So now we can go with buyers. Let's wait for the rejection first. So here I got rejection. As soon as I got rejection, I placed my trade with a marginal safety. Okay, because of the strong bullish momentum, that single red candle cannot stop the force of the bullish momentum. So now we are expecting the green candle. Let's see how this candle behaves. See, buyers are entering. And now this green candle again exactly closes at the same resistant zone. So now we can expect a red candle here. See, little bit late entry, but we can trust. Why? Because previous green candle exactly closes at the same resistance zone. So now we are expecting the red candle here and a strong bearish entry. So let's check for the another level here, and this is the another level, and this candle crosses the line but getting rejected from the same zone. See, get rejection. And now 15 more seconds. So yes, see, so now we have to wait because there is still more gap to reach this level. So if the present candle touched here, I will place my trade. Okay, because of this gap. So we have to wait. We don't need to trade every candle, each and every candle. We have to wait for our candle. Okay, buyers are entering because of the previous candle rejection. And this is look like a ranging market. See, no uptrend and no downtrend, and now forming like a inverted hammer. It's a sign of reversal for the downtrend. Now I have to go for okay, very good entry point because this inverted hammer in the middle of the trend, it acts as a continuation of the market. So I have placed here a down option. See, we have won these three trades and we waited for this trade, and now I placed my down option here. See, this is the closing point of that candle. And yes, now sellers are dominating and pushed the buyers downside. and yes, we have won this trade. So okay, we have won in this candle and this candle and this candle. We waited here and then we placed it here. So now we have to wait because there is still some gap to reach the level. And here strong sellers entry. See guys, it got rejection from the same level. See, wait, let me show you the level first. See, here it got rejected and this particular candle again got rejected from the same levels. Okay, and buyers are now trying to push the sellers from their side. So now it exactly closes at the region. So here I am going with buyers. So this is my last trade. If you understand the candlestick psychology, you can trade each and every candle. Okay, if you use indicators, you have to wait for uh, 5 minutes or 10 minutes like that. But if you know how the candles are behaving, and if you come to know how this psychology behaves, you can trade each and every candle and you can make a profit out of it. Okay, so let's wait for this candle and 20 more seconds. I placed a call option because the previous red candle exactly closes at the buyer's level. That's the reason. So hope you understand and thanks for watching. Okay, if you like my video, gives me a thumbs up and thanks.